he asked me, why are you mentioning South Sudan? Guys, really things are so guys, good morning guys, good morning. It's a beautiful morning guys. It has been a while, you know. I think let me remove my eyeglass. Yeah, I think like this is good. So guys, good morning right here from South Sudan, Juba, Peter Reyes. Yeah, so guys, I'm here at home right now, and yesterday guys, I went to a salon and I didn't really expect the hairstyle that the barber really saved me with. You can see guys, see over here. Yeah, I told him I need like a brush level, you know, brush level, like all the hair should be just the same like this, and this has always been my hairstyle cut, you know. And during the process actually of saving, he saved my hair, and then you can see guys that from this side he removed all the hairs and he saved marine tumen, which I didn't like really. And I don't know, because like here some people call it a brush level, and then someone also told me that people also call it Jordan. Yeah, some people they call it Jordan. I don't know, maybe that guy doesn't know actually whether it is, I mean, brush level or Jordan. I really don't know. But guys, really it has been a while, a long time, man, without posting video, and this really pains me a lot, you know, because my plan was always to upload a video, give you some content guys. But what happened to me really, it's really sad, man. Sad, very sad really. I think I had the thought like, wow, if such things are happening, why should I actually continue this YouTube? Should I quit? Or it's really pains me a lot guys. But by God's grace I decided to come over on camera once again guys, and just to shoot this video to really show you exactly what happens guys during these days which I was off guys without posting a video. You know, it was last week when I was shooting a video, man. I got really arrested. I got someone really stopped me from recording video right here in South Sudan, and this is actually what we are facing here, like creating content here. It's really not easy, man, because people don't like this camera things, and they have negative understanding actually about filming or recording videos, you know. Even just within the area, like if you want to record video, it's really hard. People will be asking you a lot of questions. Others will be like, hey, you are recording, maybe you want to sell the area or you want to sell this place, that's why you are taking videos, you are recording. So people have like a really negative thinking, negative thoughts really about creating videos. That's why you see, and if you see very careful, most of the content creators, most of the South Sudan content creators, actually most of them, they go out of the country just to record videos, you know. Yeah, some of them, people travel, they go outside, record video, because At least there you can have freedom. No one asks you, no one's disturbs you on what you are doing. You just record freely. But like here in South Sudan, guys, it's really hard, very hard, guys. And that's to me it's actually not good, because that's actually not good. Someone really want to show what's happening in his country and how things are going, but from nowhere you just come and stop him. Please don't do it, don't do that. It's really not good, guys. But this actually what is happening. Otherwise, most people, like as I said earlier, people just others travel outside of the country to go and create content, and others also they go to the village, like in the village you can talk with the village people, and they really understand. Like here in the city, people have different mentalities, different mentalities about different thoughts about this content creation. So guys, this is what has been really, this is what is happening, man, in South Sudan. And during that time it was actually at night, actually, to start with the video, guys, and I really want to tell you what happened to me exactly and why I didn't post video like for the past for the first week, guys. Why I didn't upload a video. Yeah. And so guys, I was recording actually a video. Yeah, I was recording a video of actually the lifestyle of the South Sudanese, night lifestyle of the South Sudanese. And then I just want to show you guys how actually South Sudan looks like at night. And then I was recording the video. So during the process, actually, guys, of recording the video, so someone actually came and just tapped me, and then he asked me, "Hey, what are you doing?" And then I told him I'm recording myself. And then he was like, who asked you to record actually? And then I said, no, I'm just recording myself and eating. So is there anything bad with that? He said, and he asked me, why are you mentioning South Sudan? Guys, really things are some people, and then he just asked me, why I heard you are mentioning South Sudan, so why are you mentioning South Sudan? He was talking to me in Arabic. I don't know if he knows English or what, because he didn't actually ask me in English, he was asking me in Arabic. And also he asked, why are you mentioning South Sudan? Are you what do you want to tell like about South Sudan? I said, no, I'm just recording my video. I'm recording myself. So I'm recording myself. South Sudan is my country, and I'm also a South Sudanese. So, and I love my country. So, what is it that? Why is it that? Is it bad to record to mention my country? And he said, no, you have another plan. So you tell me really, why you recording this video? I said, I'm just doing it for myself. I'm recording myself, and I enjoy seeing myself later. I enjoy watching myself later, like after recording this video. So is there anything bad with that? And then also the other thing, he could speak also, apart from Arabic, he could speak the same language which I speak, guys. And then he asked me, which tribe are you? I told him my tribe, and he knew that we speak the same language. So I just he started asking me, so, and why are you doing this, what, a lot of things. I said this is just there's nothing wrong with that. I'm just doing it for myself, and I just like it. He said, and he warned me that next time don't record videos, don't record videos here, because you are not allowed to record videos. So guys, that's what really, and from there I really got very disappointed, guys. And this is actually my first time, guys, experiencing such things since I started this vlogging stuff and this content creation, guys. This is actually my first experience, guys. It's really sad. And anyway, guys, it is what it is, guys. And I took a decision, like let me stop even this YouTube, because it's going to be disturbing. Like the environment doesn't support and doesn't actually accept what you're doing. So it's really sad, guys. But I pray that may God give us the strength once again, and to come back and keep on pushing on YouTube, man. And I said, like, let me just keep trying, and let me show this to you guys. I'll show you the clip at the end of the video of exactly what happened, guys. And when I was doing it, was at night, guys. Wow, it's really sad. And I'm still here at home, man. And after now I'll be just going to work, you know. Suppose by this time I'll be going to work, but I said let me record this video. Let me show you exactly why I didn't post videos for a while. And if you are also a content creator and you have experienced such things, please let me also know it in the comment section, and share with us. Let us also know in the comment section, because this thing is really very disappointing, man. Because you're trying to show people how your country looks, but other people, they're trying to just pull you back, you know, bring you down. It's really sad. But anyway, guys, thank God for life, thank God for everything. And he is the giver, the protector, the provider. So with God everything is possible, and we just give everything to God, that may God's will be done, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this far. And guys, thank you really so much, subscribers, and those ones who are watching me for the first time, guys. I really say thank you so much for coming and for stopping by, and kindly subscribe. If you are new to the channel, subscribe. Yes, support Peter Reyes, man. And right now let's just go to our 500 subscribers. We are left with 11 people, guys. Please just let the 11 people come on and join us, join this community, and let's hit to 1,000 subscribers. And I'll really appreciate, man. Thank you so much, guys. I know some of you really encourage me. Like when I first started this channel over here, my friends actually said, this guy, you will never grow, man. My real friends, like in school, most of them, they said, like, this guy, you will not grow, you're just wasting a lot of time. But when I started doing these videos, posting online, and actually you guys, you are actually the best, like my family, because you always support me. You tell me exactly what I should do. You know, some of you, I really enjoy your comments, guys. You'll be like, hey Peter, I love your video, but try to do this, you know. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your encouragement. I really this gives me energy to always come back and shoot videos and give you, man, a lot of things. I'm really so much excited. It's because of you guys. That's why I had to come back and just record this video and then to continue with it, guys. Thank you so much. Subscribe. Yeah.